Tirita. Bruno. Nice pick up here from Odong, but Namanya gets the benefits with a shot! I can get it to the back of the net! Pounding strike here from Noman Namanya. And the coach acknowledges that that was a thing of beauty for the fans. It's a reason to get into celebration mode. Noman Namanya utilizing the one stat he's been given here tonight, getting his first goal for Uganda Revenue Authority this season.
Sure that they do not aimlessly lose the ball.
Well, a lot of confidence here on Godfrey Sechivengo, especially those back heels. Now goes searching! My goodness! Hits the upright, but Sliko Medwa nearly caught out. John Vianensimba, we talked about the pageant for self-destruct, and it nearly evidenced itself there. Attack it could be, given the time on the clock, and it's releasing Ibrahim Dada. Can he whip up another cross? Yes, he does. This time it's a little! And they do it again! They do it again! Same place, same cross, same header, same corner. What a sequence of play from Uganda Revenue Authority. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a poor ball. That is how they roll.
Well, that kind of performance, that kind of cross coming in from Ibrahim Dada, I don't know whether it changes your mind, Jermaine, about the man of the match, but I think Ibrahim Dada has come in and turned the game on its head. His performance, 2 assists, sublime crosses. I think that in many ways he's